Don't touch the girl. Yeah?
Rakaman ini jelas menunjukkan satu situasi tegang melibatkan seorang pelancong asing dari Rusia dan seorang warga tempatan Bali dikenali sebagai Belda. Dalam rakaman, Belda tegaskan satu benda yang simple tapi ramai buat lupa, hormat orang tempatan. Pelancong itu didakwa dalam keadaan mabuk. Dalam keadaan tu, dia buat kacau, sentuh perempuan, sentuh orang tanpa izin. Benda ini bukan kecil, ini dah masuk bab adab dan keselamatan. Sebab itu Belda terus bertindak, bukan terus pukul membabi buta, tapi guna teknik jerutan leher untuk kawal keadaan sampai pelancong itu tenang. Dengar ayat dia jelas, Bali selamat, orang Bali baik, tapi kena hormat. Itu mesej utama. Bukan nak tunjuk gangster tapi nak bagi faham sempadan. Bila pelancong itu sedar, dia sendiri mengaku salah dan tanya kenapa dia jadi macam tu. Jawapan pun straight, sebab mabuk. Belda tak panjangkan cerita. Selepas pelancong tu faham, dia lepaskan dan suruh balik. Tak ada drama panjang, tak ada dendam. Tegas tapi masih bagi peluang. Isu ini sebenarnya mudah. Mana-mana tempat pun sama. Datang sebagai tetamu, jaga adab. Jangan guna alasan mabuk untuk buat sesuka hati. Hormat budaya, hormat orang, terutama wanita. Kalau benda basic macam ni pun gagal, jangan pelik kalau orang tempatan sendiri baru bagi peringatan. Kadang bukan sebab nak cari gaduh, tetapi sebab nak jaga maruah tempat sendiri.
Respect local. Hey, listen, film me. Yeah. Film me. Yeah, look. This is one of the bullet drunk.
Hey, he's out.
Touching the girl.
No, he's out.
Touching the head, no respect.
He's out.
Respect to local, yeah? Do not touch the girl.
He's out.
Yeah? Don't touch the girl, yeah? So, if you filming it, I'm not fine for nothing. Respect to local.
100%.
Yeah?
Never do that.
Bali is safe. Bali people is nice. You can do whatever you want in Bali. But respect local. Respect local, yeah? Respect local, yeah? If I punch you, I can finish you. But I choke you till you understand. Yeah? Where you from?
Russia.
You from Russia. Respect. Many Russian people doing shit in here. Don't be one of them. Yeah? Respect. I'm not gonna be sad if he not sad. Do not touch the girl like that. Yeah? Do not touch the girl like that. Yeah? Got it? Got it or not?
I'm getting, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We cool now? We cool?
But I'm not so very nice.
Why you touch the girl like that? Who? Don't say who.
Yeah,
Everybody already see it. You drunk.
Yeah, I'm agree. Yeah, I'm agree.
Hey, Bali is nice. Bali is nice. But if you're not nice, we can smash you here.
I'm just saying.
Nobody punch you. It's just you and me. Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Go. Okay.
Give me the hand.
No, you stay out yourself, brother.
Bali, many gangsters.
Hey, you're not fucking my boss. How about yourself?
I'm just
You
saying.
snipe in Bali.
But where I'm insane.
You run. Hey, you drunk. Just shut up. Go back home. Okay, let's go, guys.
But where I'm
Syuk Hobbies gembira kongsi tiada takut. Syuk Hobbies suka kongsi sepanjang hari. Inilah Syuk Hobbies YouTube channel.